Curry isn't one dish. It's a passport stamp. It's a map of trade winds. It's a spoonful of history. Today, I'm taking you from Indian butter chicken to Thai green and Massaman, and showing how one spice blend tried to conquer the world. Let's start in Delhi, late 1940s. Butter chicken, Murg Makhani, wasn't born in a palace. It came from thrift. Cooks at Moti Mahal tossed leftover tandoori chicken into a silky sauce of tomatoes, butter and cream. The trick? Balance. Sweet tomato, tangy fenugreek, warm garam masala, heat that kisses, not punches. Technique matters. Brown onions till deep gold, bloom spices in ghee, then simmer low so the sauce becomes velvet. Want that restaurant finish? Blitz the sauce smooth, strain, and finish with a knob of butter. But why do we even call it curry? Blame empire and convenience. British traders heard curry, a Tamil word for sauce, then bottled a shortcut, curry powder. It mixed turmeric, coriander, cumin, maybe fenugreek, an echo of Indian kitchens, not a copy. That blend sailed to Japan via the Royal Navy, thickened into curry rice. It hit the Caribbean, married allspice and Scotch bonnet. It's the world's most successful spice remix. Shift east to Thailand. Here, curry is paste first, sauce second. Green, red, Massaman, they're different stories. Thai green curry, fresh and bright. Lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime peel, coriander root, garlic. Green chilies pounded to a paste. Coconut milk isn't just liquid. It's your frying medium. Crack the coconut cream. Fry the paste till it splits and smells citrusy and fierce. Then add protein and veg, basil at the end. Sweet, salty, spicy, herbal. Like a garden with attitude. Thai red curry. Similar backbone, dried red chilies for a deeper, toastier heat. It loves duck, beef, or pumpkin. The color isn't just for show. It tastes roasted and round. Massaman, the outsider that became a favorite. Musulman hints at Muslim traders from Persia and the Malay world. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, biryani spices meet Thai aromatics. Peanuts, potatoes soak up the sauce. It's gentle, fragrant, and rich. Sunday dinner energy in a bowl. Quick compare so you can cook smart. Fat, ghee and cream in butter chicken. Coconut milk in Thai curries. Base, onion, ginger, garlic for North Indian. Lemongrass, galangal, shallot for Thai. Spice form, powdered dry masalas, fresh pounded pastes. Heat, dried chili warmth, fresh chili brightness. Home shortcuts? Use store-bought Thai paste, but wake it up. Fry in oil till it sings, then add coconut milk. For butter chicken, bloom garam masala and kasuri methi in hot ghee, then blend your sauce smooth. Salt and sugar are dials. Lime or vinegar is your rescue. Here's the big idea. Curry isn't a recipe. It's a technique of layering aroma, fat, heat, and time. From Delhi's leftovers to Bangkok's royal kitchens, it's proof that trade routes write flavor. Grab a pot, pick a path. Butter chicken velvet, green curry lightning, or Massaman comfort, and taste a whole history in one spoon.